Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to live stream in YouTube for games etc. You have to go to Play Store and search SZ Screen Recorder. Do the same as I do and watch full video to know how to live stream. After downloading it, you have to open it. Let's open it. Here you have to allow some of the microphone etc. You have to go to settings and select the quality you want to record audio etc. or countdown before start screenshots. Too many options. You have to click on it, so there will be the icon will be here of this app. You have to click on it and then click on the live. Then it will ask permission for the microphone, and then you will choose a platform for which do you want to stream, and now you will give your ID. And then you have to allow it to live stream from your ID. Let's allow it. You will click on the start button. It will load for a minute, and this is the final message. It will start recording then. I'm doing live stream just for you guys. Now let's end it, and thanks for watching guys.